I'm Joanne Chang, and over the next 30 days, I'm going to teach you how to go from following recipes to creating your own. You're going to learn the foundations of cakes, cookies, pies, and brioche. I'm going to help you become a more confident and creative baker. Flour is a bakery and cafe that I started over 20 years ago. This class is a little bit like coming into flour and learning the things that I teach my bakers. Throughout our journey together, I will provide you with help, assignments, and guidance every step of the way. I need some room. Behind every great baker, there is a strong community, which is why you'll be taking this class with an active group of pastry makers, just like you, who will give you supportive feedback. We're going to learn as a group, bake as a group, and grow as a group. When we're finished here, you're going to have all the tools you need to bake like a pro. This is more than just recipes and beautiful pastries on a plate. After 30 days, you'll have learned techniques that will elevate anything and everything you bake in the future.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh.
I'm Joanne Chang, and this is MasterClass.